The production process of the twin-wing expansion house integrates modular design, precision manufacturing, and standardized assembly, with the core of achieving rapid deployment through industrial prefabrication and dynamic structural optimization. Today I will tell you about the production process of the expansion box room. The first step is design planning and material preparation. We will first customize drawings based on customer needs and use AutoCAD tools to complete 3D modeling, clarifying the double-wing expansion structure and spatial expansion ratio. Our main frame is made of 2.5 mm thick galvanized square steel or steel aluminum composite profiles, balancing lightweight and wind and earthquake resistance performance. The walls and ceiling are made of 50 mm thick glass wool or rock wool sandwich panels, Class A fire resistant. The exterior walls are made of metal carved panels with various styles and colors. The ground is covered with 18 mm bamboo plywood and PVC flooring, supplemented by curtain wall structural adhesive for sealing and waterproofing. The second step is frame welding and pretreatment. Using molded frames, such as door frame-shaped steel, as a reference, weld columns, beams, and folding hinge connectors to ensure structural stability and mechanical accuracy during unfolding/folding. After welding is completed, sandblasting is carried out to remove rust, an anti-rust primer and high-durability topcoat are sprayed. Some high-end products use baking paint technology to enhance weather resistance. The third step is modular component prefabrication. Integrated hydraulic or electric drive system, with foldable top, bottom, and side panels installed on both sides of the box, enabling expansion to the maximum usable area within 15 minutes, such as expanding from 22 square meters to 58 square meters. Prefabricate doors and windows, with anti-theft mesh aluminum alloy windows, water and electricity pipelines, pre-embedded PVC sleeves, bathroom units, integrated septic tanks, etc. in batches to ensure plug-and-play functionality. The fourth step is assembly and inspection. Fix the sandwich color steel plates in order, use galvanized angle steel to press the joints, drill the tail nails with a spacing of less than or equal to 50 cm, and inject curtain wall structural adhesive, such as black/white silicone adhesive, into the joints to achieve waterproof sealing. After assembly, various performance tests will be conducted, including load-bearing testing, greater than or equal to 200 kg/, wind resistance level, greater than or equal to 8 level, fire resistance performance, A-level certification, and air tightness inspection. Digital technology will be used to simulate structural stability in extreme environments. Finally, the goods are packed in the warehouse and wait for shipment to customers. If you have any questions, please contact us. At the same time, friends from all walks of life are welcome to consult and purchase.